Okay guys, as I promised in the last video that I would show you how to enjoy this CPA grip offer, let's get straight to it. If you don't understand what CPA grip means, I would suggest you go and check my last video and see how to get your account approved. So straight up, how to enjoy this offer. Like I said, it goes to offer tools, then my offer, and here there are different kind of offers based on the country, and their payouts varies. So for US, they have payouts that are around $1, $2 and all. But those are little payouts for me. So based on my research, I think Spain, if we check Spain have, I think, above $8 or so. Let's see. Okay, yeah, we've seen one right here, $8. Let's see, we can see more. 8 again. 8. Okay, so just to show you how it works, let's just pick one of these. Okay, let's do this. So now, if you are not from Spain, you won't understand this language. You probably won't, or if you understand the Spanish language, then you can be able to read this. And the offer is only allowed in Spain. So any country you pick, the offer is only allowed in the country, but you can still enjoy it. I'll show you now. To read this, you will need Google Translator. So you need to copy this, then go to Google Translator. It's right there on Google. You can go to the main site, then you paste what you copied. It lets Google detect Spanish, and it means play FIFA 2022 now. So that's the title of the offer, and once your audience completes the task, you earn the payout, which is $8.21. So now let's get to how to do this. You copy your referral link. There are many tracking domains here you can choose. So you copy your referral link, and then you shorten the link by using link shortener, BITL. Link shortener. You create new link. You paste your link and create. Please don't forget to customize your link so that it won't be deleted after some time. So you can put CPA, or you can name this link with the title of the offer, which is Play FIFA Now. But since your audience for this is Spanish, you can just use FIFA 2022. Put it there. Remove the space. Let's see if this is going to work. Okay, the link is taken. You can add something more. See? No. This link is taken as well. Let's just do one. Okay, so save. The link is saved, so you can copy it, and now you go to where you get your audience for Spanish. So for my research, you can enjoy that from this website, trafficadbar.com. You go to trafficadbar.com. You sign up. It's really simple to sign up. It's not that. It's straightforward. Then you go to websites, your dashboard. You go to your website and add your website. So on this platform, TrafficAdbar, you have the opportunity to add about 5 websites as a new user. So you can paste your copied link, your shortened link here. Then you click add websites. Okay, so now they need some information for the link in order to push it out. So this is where you will put the title for the link, and our title is play FIFA now, but since our audience is Spanish, we use the Spanish title right here. Spanish title, which is play FIFA now. On the add line, you can still put the same title, then you go down. What is the language for your ad and web page? Since our audience is Spanish, then the language is Spanish. Lastly, the country. We are promoting to Spain because the offer is only available for Spain audience, and that's all. You can ignore all these and save. Okay, it says we can't use excessive capital like FIFA. That's not a problem. That's not a problem. Change it to FIFA. Play FIFA now. Then we save. Okay, so that's it. So that's it. So what you need to do is relax and watch audience check your link, and for every audience that completes task given to them, you earn $8.21. You can do this a couple of times for other offers. It doesn't have to be Spain alone. You can do your own personal research and check other countries with bigger offer, and you enjoy it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. To get more information like this, kindly subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share.